Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Mandela Highway and this is, whoa, look at the way those cars are driving. Oh my gosh. And sometimes you have to wonder, what's the rush? Why do they drive like that? Anyway, I'm sure they must know why they're driving so reckless. Alright, we're on Mandela Highway and we're going to take a look at the Ferry Industrial Complex. And we access it by exiting Mandela straight ahead, and it's a new warehouse district or warehouse area, and they have some very large warehouses over there, and you also have a lot under construction, so it's a booming area. Now when we go further down to White Marl, you have like the Wisynco facility, you have Sherman-Williams, you have Best Dressed Chicken, you have Lasco. So basically on this strip right here, you have a lot of warehouses, and it's very close to the wharf. So when the goods come in, or if you manufacture goods and you need to send them out, so that's why this area does so well, or has so many warehouses basically. So we just exited Mandela and we're going on to over to the Ferry Industrial Complex. And also there's a lot of land space here. There aren't many homes basically, so you have the space to build these massive warehouses. So if you look on the left, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but we're going over there, you're going to see a lot of warehouses, and they're huge. If anybody knows which facility has the largest warehouse in Jamaica, you can let us know. But and at the front you can see construction going on, some more warehouses are being built. But this is a very nice area to build them. White Marl is right beside, very close to Spanish Town. So you're not going to have a lot of space to build more facilities out there. But over here you can see the amount of empty land. On the right you have a lot of empty land too. So this is the ideal spot. And there is a police station about a minute away from this complex, the Ferry Police Station. So that's very important when you're building these warehouses for security. Although they would have private security, but it's a bonus to have a police station so close. Alright, so we're going to turn into this complex now. Okay. And take a tour of it. This is the Ferry Industrial Complex. So as we turn in, and there are, I think, two entrances. This is one. You have the Nestle facility on the left, and this is their warehouse. Nestle sells a lot of products, but they also the coffee machines that you see in most of the supermarkets, the French vanilla, those kind of machines, it's Nestle that does them as well. And they have a massive warehouse over here. They used to have one in Bogwalk. I don't know if this, I think it was probably a plant over there. I think they used, not sure if it's still there. Okay, the reason why I asked if anybody knows which facility has, or which company has the largest warehouse, is because I knew it used to be, I think it was Grace Kennedy at one time. They had a facility when you're driving on the Spanish Town bypass off there. But when you look at the size of this warehouse over here, I mean, and there are like 3 of them. Look at the size of this warehouse. This is one, and then there are 2 more down at the bottom that look like they're completed. I can't imagine a warehouse being bigger than this. Well, this is actually 2 different warehouses being built, but I have to think that this facility over here has the largest warehouse in Jamaica. Even though it's 4 different buildings, and this is Derrimon Trading. I can't imagine any other facility being as large as this. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, let's go down here so you can see the size of the existing warehouse. Okay, well, the fence is kind of high. Okay, we can take a peek in here just to see the size of this thing. Unbelievable. This is the type of progress you like to see in Jamaica. These massive warehouses being built. And I think Dairyman, I think they own a chain of supermarkets, and I'm not 100% sure. But they, okay, now you can get a very nice view of just how big these warehouses are. So I'm going to double check it, but I'm almost sure that Dairyman has the largest warehouse facility in Jamaica. I can't imagine. I mean, I know Wisynco has a very large warehouse, and Grace Kennedy, because they're all distribution companies, but based on what I've seen, none of them come close to the size of this one. Alright, so let's continue our tour. Okay, straight ahead now, on the right you have Shackman, and that's a truck brand. It's actually Chinese, a Chinese company, and they're doing very well in Jamaica. Most of the trucks that are coming in now, or people buy this brand of truck, it seems to work very well in Jamaica. And I'm assuming with the you can get the parts easily. And they actually have a dealer in Jamaica that sells the actual trucks, so getting parts and service and those things will be so much easier. Alright, so we're going to look at some more of the warehouses. And if you notice, these warehouses, they aren't, the area isn't, like you're not building them on top of each other. You have space for parking, you have proper road facilities. So this is the kind of progress you like to see. This is how it should be done. You don't have, like if you go on the Newport West, if you see how those buildings are built, and this is a much nicer idea, much nicer concept. Alright, we're going to take a look straight ahead. We're going to take a look at the construction that's going on, and also the tropical battery facility down here. And I was saying, you see the amount of empty lots, so you have a lot of room for expansion. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.